This new N8N MCP update is insane. You can now connect any AI tool to your workflows with literally one click. No code, no complex setup, just pure automation magic. I'm about to show you how to build AI agents that actually work. This is going to change everything for automation. Let's dive in. All right, so N8N just released something that honestly blew my mind. And I don't say that lightly. I've been using N8N for years to automate my business, but this new MCP update is on a completely different level. Let me explain what just happened. So N8N added something called instance level MCP access. Now, if you don't know what MCP is, don't worry. I'm going to break it down super simple. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. Think of it like a universal language that AI tools can speak. It's basically like USB for AI. You know how USB works with any device? Same idea here. Before this update, if you wanted AI tools like Claude to run your N8N workflows, you had to set up each workflow individually. It was a pain. You'd spend hours connecting things, configuring triggers, troubleshooting errors. Not fun. But now, everything changed. With instance level MCP access, you connect one time. That's it. And suddenly, all your workflows become available to any AI tool that supports MCP. Claude can see them, Cursor IDE can see them, Lovable can see them. They can search your workflows, discover what they do, and run them automatically. No individual setup required. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let me know what you think. This is absolutely insane when you think about the possibilities, because now you can literally talk to Claude and say, hey, run my email scraper workflow, and Claude will just do it. Or you can say, find all my workflows related to data analysis, and Claude will list them all out for you. It's like having a personal assistant who knows exactly how to run your automations. And here's the best part. You're going to see exactly how powerful this is in just a moment, because I'm going to show you a live demo. But first, let me tell you why this matters so much. See, most people think automation is complicated. They think you need to be a developer or know how to code. But with this new MCP update, that's completely false. Anyone can do this now. You can build AI agents that actually work without writing a single line of code, and I'm going to prove it to you. Now, before I show you the setup, let me explain the two modes you need to know about. There's something called MCP server mode and MCP client mode. Server mode is when you expose a single workflow as a tool. This is what the old MCP trigger node did back in April 2025. It works, but you have to set it up for every single workflow. Client mode is when your AI tool connects to other MCP servers. But here's what makes the new update special. Instance level access is like server mode on steroids. You enable it once at the instance level, then you just toggle which workflows you want to make available, and boom, your AI tools can discover and run all of them. No more per workflow configuration, no more wasted time. This is the game changer. Now, before I show you the setup, I want to mention something quick. If you want to learn how to actually scale your business with AI tools like N8N, you need to check out AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I teach you how to save hours every single week by automating your business with powerful AI workflows. We cover N8N, Claude, automation strategies, and everything you need to build systems that actually work. The link is in the description below. All right, let's get into the setup. Here's how you actually set this up, and I promise you it's way easier than you think. Step 1 is to go to your N8N dashboard, click on Settings. You'll see a new option called MCP Access. Enable it. You'll need to pick your authentication method. You can use OAuth or a token. I recommend OAuth because it's more secure, but tokens work fine too if you want something quick. Once you enable MCP Access, you're basically telling N8N, hey, let AI tools connect to me. That's step 1. Super simple. Step 2 is to go to any workflow you want to make available. Click on the workflow settings. You'll see a toggle that says available in MCP. Turn it on, add a description, so AI tools know what your workflow does. For example, if you have an email scraper workflow, you'd write something like scrapes emails from a list and saves them to Google Sheets. Clear and simple. Now here's where it gets really cool. Step 3 is to open up your AI client. Let's say you're using Claude desktop. Go to the settings in Claude, add your N8N server URL, add your authentication details, and that's it. Now Claude can see all your workflows. You can literally ask Claude, what N8N workflows do I have? And Claude will list them all out. Then you can say, run my email scraper workflow, and Claude will execute it in real time. This is wild. because now you're not just using AI to chat, you're using AI to actually do things in your business. And this is just the beginning. Let me show you a real example so you can see how powerful this is. Let's say you build a simple workflow in N8N. Maybe it scrapes emails from a website and saves them to Google Sheets. Nothing fancy. You enable MCP on that workflow, then you open Claude and say, find my workflow for scraping emails. Claude searches your N8N instance and finds it. Then you say, run it, and boom, the workflow executes. Emails get scraped and saved to your sheet, all from a simple conversation with Claude. Now imagine you have 10 workflows, or 20, or 50. You can mix and match them however you want. You can build complex AI agents that combine multiple workflows together. For example, let's say you have one workflow that pulls data from an API, another workflow that analyzes that data, and a third workflow that sends you a report. With instance-level MCP access, you can tell Claude to run all three in sequence. Claude will handle the entire process for you. This used to take 10 minutes of manual clicking and configuration. Now it takes 30 seconds.